Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. I'm also the General Manager for HomeQuest, a leading retailer for new and pre-owned manufactured homes in the state of California. If you're interested, you can check out my bio at homequestsales.com. Today, we are taking you through this never-seen refurbished mobile home. We are located in Sunkist Gardens, which is a 55+ community in Anaheim, California, and right there is the Honda Center. And somewhere over here is where the Angel Stadium is. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. They're still completing the landscaping, but there's plenty of parking. You could fit at least 2 cars here on the carport. And over on this other side, there's another patio, but we're gonna go in through this entrance. You're gonna wanna stick till the end because we're gonna do this home backwards. It has a beautiful master bathroom. We're gonna take you through there and the bedrooms first, then we're gonna let you see the kitchen, where there is a nice kitchen island, stainless steel appliances. You're really gonna like it. We also have a wet bar, so this home does come with its own bar for those of you who like to entertain family and friends. Let's go take a look inside. As you can see, this is a very large porch. We're going to enter over here through the utility room. What's nice right here is we did add this sink. There's also a lot of cabinet space in this home, so we really did try to add additional cabinet space. Over here you can see more overhead and top and bottom cabinets. This home has all new countertops, cabinets, everything was completely gutted. If you're interested in seeing a before video, check the link in the description. Here's the second bedroom. The guys really did very good work. What's really cool here is take a look at this desk. It's very different. You'll get a sneak peek here of the kitchen, but that is a beautiful kitchen, living room, dining room. Here is the guest bathroom. We also gutted this. There's a brand new vanity, cabinets, shower, and then let me unlock this door here. But there is the guest bedroom. So there's 2 doors going to the master. Let me get a little better angle here. You're gonna wanna stick through the end. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified. We premiere new home tours on a weekly basis, new and pre-owned. We introduce new communities to you. If you live in California and you're wondering where you can put these, we have a lot of different spaces. But here's the master bedroom. As you can see, you can fit a king bed in here, no problem. End tables, nightstands. And then let's go over here. I already turned all the lights off. Let me turn them back on for you. Tell us what you think. We love hearing your thoughts, what you like about the home, maybe what you would do a little bit differently. And it also does us a huge favor if you hit that like button. Let's see here. There we go. These are all hardwood cabinets. I love this backsplash. Take a look at that backsplash. If you're interested in selling or buying a home, take a look at homequestsales.com. You can also call it 866-720-2207. We have agents all over the state of California that can help you sell your mobile or manufactured home. Oh, let me back up here. A lot of storage, more storage. So check out that cabinet. Should open this one for you guys. Tell us what you think of this bathroom. I love it. This home was pretty awkward, so we tried to make the best of it, but we gutted this, we relocated the shower. There was actually only a tub here where I'm standing right now. So again, check out the link to see this home before we started working on it. You'll see that we did a lot of work. We also use, it's almost like a PVC material for the flooring, so it's a waterproof, water-resistant flooring. Now, ready for the kitchen. This home was built in the early 70s. Over here, there was a big wall separating, there was a closet there between the kitchen. It was right here. It was really awkward. So we tore that wall out. We opened it up. I promised you there was a bar. Look at that. This is very cool. This is my favorite thing about this home. It's a perfect home for you to entertain your family and friends. But look how spacious this is. This is the perfect home. We are in a 55+ community. If you're interested in touring this home in person, check out the number in the description. We'll put you in contact with the agent. Here's the stainless steel appliances. Whirlpool, they're all good. I love these 3-door Whirlpools. Refrigerators. Freezer down there. Quartz countertops. I love the single cell sinks, gooseneck faucet with sprayer. All right, well, thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like button. It really does help out our channel. See you next time.